Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at part number 34 from our advanced flat parts. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're back into the program here. Now, in today's video, like I mentioned, we're going to be looking at part 34. It's another advanced part, and it's a bit, you can say, a tri-rectangle combo. So, we're going to be basically just combining three different triangles. It's rather simple. It is also, in many ways, you can say similar to the L shape we've done. But this will be a bit more of a U shape, so we'll be adding extra rectangle to the mix. So now what we want to do is go to flat parts, and then we want to navigate to P34. So if I click this, open up, and just zoom in here on this little menu preview so we can see what's happening. So now once again, also the shape's pretty simple. It is an advanced shape, but you will be able to figure this one out pretty quickly. So now obviously on top we've got A, which is the overall width of the first triangle, or you can say the outside of your or the width of your actual overall shape. But I like to view it in three triangles, three rectangles. It makes more sense to me. So then we basically have the first rectangle, which is A for the width and V for the height. Second one is B for the height and D for the width. And then the last one is C for the height and E for the width. So that is how you can adjust that. So if we go A, let's go 300. We're going to make it about, let's go about 80. Then we make our B, that is B. So let's first go the V, do this about 80. Then our next rectangle, I'm going to make it 100. And then, so it's going to just come over the border. And this one again, I'll make a bit broader so we can get D over here. So D, maybe make it about 150. So it's just about half of our overall top triangle shape. And the last one, we make a bit of a skinny long one. So we're looking at C. So let's make this one about 250. And then I'm going to make this one, let's make it about quite small. I'll make it 20. Let's go OK, and we preview that. And as you can see here, there's we've got our first rectangle on top here, which is a long average one, and then we've got a broad short low one, and then a long skinny one. So I'm going to go add manual quantities 1, say add, and then we add this to our actual cutting place. Let's see if we fit it in here. Might have to move some shapes just. Okay, there we go, got it in. So now at least we can hopefully get all the shapes in. But yeah, that is it on P34. And like I mentioned, it's basically if you can view it as three different rectangles. Three different rectangles, then it kind of makes more sense using this shape. But yeah, otherwise, if we head to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover. And you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.